Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 46. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lu Shishao. He was speaking on the company's annual party. Even if I'm scared and bruised, I still. After speaking, now she was singing. Mr. Lu is so good at singing. Everyone is clapping and praising her. Can Mr. Lu have another song? Oh, it seems that they really love Shisha's voice and now they really want to hear another sing from her. Shisha said, okay, thanks. Well, finally, after finished singing, I didn't expect Mr. Lu to sing so well. Like it's the sketch brought by the personnel department. Well, looking at it, Sian, right now, she was silently watching from far behind. She was drinking wine and she was looking on the stage. Well, she really heard how good Lucy Xiao at singing. It was so beautiful, so confident, and Lucy Xiao, she was completely different from usual. Sian thinks to herself that she want to hide her. Come on, only show me in person, but of course, right now, she cannot say it to her. Well, Sian, she's kind of sort of possessive. Now, she really want to possess her, only wanting her. Attention are focusing towards her. Sian, after finish watching, now she get off and leave, leaving the wine on the table. Well, she was really tricky. She didn't tell Lucy Xiao that she was going to the banquet party. After finishing singing, Lucy Xiao went straight to the comfort room. Well, probably she was shy, that's why she washed her face. Fortunately, the program I drew this year is singing and it is sketchy. There is really no way to go on stage. Thankfully, right now, it really went well. Now, it really surprised her. Sian suddenly puffed out. Now, she is approaching her. Well, this is the start. Since she was really shy, why are you here? She was surprised by the sudden pop-off of Sian. Now Sian was seriously looking at her. She was seriously approaching her. Probably she wanted to praise her, but right now, she seems to be thinking something else. You can guess. Sian moving closer and closer to her. And it's like that she's going to tease her again. And Sian said to her, even perfume is not completely you. It was the hunting goddess again. Oh, did she really? Attracted to Lu Shishao again because of the strong smell of perfume. Today Lu Shishao is completely new and I almost don't know each other. Xian said to her, the completely endearment. Right now, Lu Shishao. She wiggled one's head. Of course, she was really shy. She is not imagining that Xian would see her. She was singing in front of her, but right now it was really shocking to her. You have friends or relatives who work in our company. Yes, my friend is working here. Oh, it turns out like this. Right now, Xian. She moved closer to her. She grabbed her on the waist, trying to coax her. Well, she was really great doing at it. But right now, Lu Shishao said to her, who is it? Who is your friend? Xian answered her and said, I won't tell you. Now, Lu Shishao gentle touch on her shoulder. So go out and I will see you who you are sitting next to and I will know it. Oh, she was really tricky, but right now, Xian said, okay, I quit, Director Lu. She put her hands on the air. Well, probably. She is declaring that she is surrendering. In case you have right for personal gain, my friend is become unlucky. Oh, Xian, it was really too much of description. Right now, Lu Shishao said, it's look like it's in my department. Well, it seems that Xian, she was really caught on the act. Well, it was Jinyan, your regional manager. Lu Shishao said to her, I don't use power for personal gain. Oh, right now, she turned back. Now, it sang very well. Sian is praising her, but looking at it, knowing this, that Sian has a friend on her company, Lu Shishao, is she really get jealous right now? She turned back. It seems that, is she really jealous on Sian's friend, knowing that two of them are working closer? But, right now, really makes puzzle. Shishao was thinking right now, maybe how can Sian be a friend on Chinyan? Everyone in the group pay attention to the safety. After the meeting and the banquet already finished, Shishao is attending the colleagues. Everyone saying goodbye, Director Lu. Shishao is waving her hands, saying goodbye to the colleague. After that, it was really a long day. Now, looking at it, when she entered on the car, she was watching everyone at the park. Well, is she really finding Sian on the crowd? But she was not lucky, she can't find Sian. Also, on the underground parking lot, turns out Sian was also there, watching her from behind. After finishing on the hotel, the two of them back. And it's almost the same time they arrive at the parking lot of the house they've been living. At the same time, the two of them brought in the same elevator. It feels awkward. That's why the two of them kept themselves silent. No one is talking, but only Lu Shishao. She was looking at Sian. He didn't even say a word, and there was no other action. The elevators rang. It's time to go out on elevator. Sian opened her eyes. Since the two of them needs to walk out on elevator. Suddenly, she was really tricky. She suddenly backhacked Lu Shishao again. Sian. At this moment, she was serious, but suddenly, she became playful again, and now, she moved closer to Lu Shishao. It makes Lu Shishao to rattle. Suddenly, Lu Shishao looking at Sian, and now she already pinned down on the wall. Sian, she's getting tricky. Now, she really moved closer to Lu Shishao. It turns out she really kissed her gently. The two of them stay like this for a while. Sian, maybe she really want to kiss her that time on the banquet, but there's a lot of crowd, but right now, she really can hold her feelings, that's why she really grab a chance. And she has right now. Sian said to her, Lu Shishao, let's try with me. Oh, did she really asking her to be her girlfriend? Well, Sian, she was really sweet girl, especially right now. She really want to express her feelings. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!